Hello, good evening. An academic from Cardiff who's stranded in Wuhan in China because of the coronavirus outbreak says there hasn't been enough help from the UK government to help British citizens there. Dr. Yvonne Griffiths should fly home on Monday, but the airport is currently closed. Alistair James reports.
The barriers go up as the death toll rises. More than 1,000 people have been infected since the discovery of the coronavirus. Strict restrictions have been put up around Wuhan in an effort to contain the spread, affecting airports and stations. One of those stranded is Dr. Yvonne Griffiths, a visiting academic from Cardiff working with Birmingham City University. She arrived at the beginning of January.
I think things were completely normal, and then it was about a week ago that the news began to be more intensely focusing on the health risk and the virus. It's just changed completely in the last few days. It's like the place is deserted, and everybody, of course, now has to wear masks.
She and her colleagues were quickly booked on a flight home, but now the airport's been closed. She says she's safe and well, but there's been little information from the UK government.
I would say I'm disappointed at the absolute sort of silence on the issue of how stranded people are going to get home. And it seems maybe the British government at the moment has a lack of either a lack of concern or a lack of planning in place. I'm not sure.
Yvonne's due to fly home on Monday. She's unsure that will happen. Her daughter, who also lives in Cardiff, says there could be better support.
When we look for information from the Foreign Office, there's absolutely nothing. There's advice for people if they're travelling to China, but for people that are trapped there, there's absolutely nothing about what they can do. And for their families, there's no advice as to what we can do here either to try and help and get them back. I know that in other countries, France, for example, and America today, are announcing that they're going to be putting on transport to get their people out in negotiation with the local authorities there. So clearly there is more that could be done.
The UK government says it's monitoring the situation closely and is ready to assist any British people who need help.